Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Hey, welcome back. Time now 9:17 on this Tuesday morning.
We haven't done this in a while.
I know. I was like, do I remember how to do it?
Welcome over.
I was going to comment on the temperatures. I like what I'm seeing.
It's warm. I mean, definitely don't need a jacket going out, at least for temperature purposes.
Yes.
I was doing a little bit of history here, looking up. This is the 9th driest start to the year that we've ever had on records in Lexington, and they go back to the 1800s.
Wow.
So from January through this date, this is the 9th driest start we've ever had.
You know what? We just had the story about the Casey County farmer and how the lack of rain is impacting his farm. And I mean, I'm team heat, but I'm also team rain.
And you know what? We at least have a chance, several chances. So let's get to that. First, though, temperatures, as Krista was alluding to, quite warm out there this morning, but not terrible. 80 degrees right now in Madison County at that weather station. 79 Powell County, 79 as well in northern Fayette, over into Bath County, that weather station. Still some low 70s in spots like Jackson, Owsley counties right now, but you're on the way up too. We are starting off with some scattered clouds, but none of those producing any rain. Look how the clouds over time, see how we're seeing less white and gray than what we had back into the wee hours of this morning? Well, that means that the clouds are kind of thinning out and we'll see sunshine. But eventually when that sun breaks out, we'll get some heating. We'll flare up some scattered showers and storms into the afternoon. Now, the storms that are back to the west, look how they've just over the last few hours just kind of faded, at least the northern part of this line. What will happen is into the afternoon, storms will redevelop along that front and they head toward us by late evening and then into the nighttime hours. This afternoon, though, we will likely have a few scattered showers and storms here and there. Again, scattered, the key word there. Not everyone sees those, but because of some more clouds than what we had yesterday, I think a lot of us, or most of us, really stay in that mid and some upper 80s for highs. Now, here are those storms. Watch, though, as they work east. Look how that line again starts to fade as it moves east. That means that far eastern Kentucky overnight and even down toward the southeast likely are on a much lower opportunity to see any rain at that point. Tomorrow, though, the front still in the state provides some additional scattered showers and storms. So that area of storms that fires up off to the west for the afternoon, that's the best zone that could maybe see some severe weather out of this. But remember, as that line moves east later on tonight into the wee hours tomorrow morning, it gets weaker, which is why our area is in a level 1 risk for maybe a severe storm or two. That chance is definitely lessening. I think we'll just mainly have some gustier winds and some rain and some rumbles of thunder out of it. Remember, most of us stay in that mid and upper 80 range today with only scattered storms. Not everybody sees rain during the afternoon. That chance for that fading line of storms comes in tonight. Best rain chance in our viewing area is central and areas north. As we go into tomorrow, we'll keep that scattered chance going. But late week, though, a more unsettled and stormy pattern coming back. So starting Friday and running into Saturday, both of those days right now more primed for more rounds of showers and storms. Going into Sunday and Memorial Day here on Monday, still the chance there for some scattered showers and some thunderstorms. Still looks like that there will be dry time as we get closer. We'll be able to see what the setup looks like during that period. Over the next 7 days, though, yes, there is a daily rain chance. There will be dry time, but in that period, anywhere from an inch to maybe as much as 3 inches when we're looking at the whole coverage here. That's kind of the average range that I'm expecting. Some spots, though, could get more than that. So great news for the drought that we're in, Krista.